Sadhu means one who is giving Krishna, one who is placing us in Krishna's reality. That is sadhu. That's the kind of sangha we should be in 24/7 to be in Krishna reality. It is very pitiful not to be in Krishna reality. Miserable not to be in Krishna reality. So, sadhu sangha is nothing less than being in Krishna reality. Sadhu is all about Krishna. All about Krishna. To make us see that everything is Krishna. To make us see how we are really, we belong to Krishna. ये क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? Deep slumber में है. This is not your reality. Wake up. You are Krishna's. Don't you see Krishna's everywhere? Wake up to Krishna reality. That's sadhu sangha. Chaya sat sanga deho ye amare bosi chi sangera she.
छाया सत्संगा देहो ये आमारे बोशेची संगेरा आशे
एकाकी हमारा नहीं पाया बाला हरिनामा संकीर्तने.
एकाकी आमारा नहीं पाया बला हरिनामा संकीर्तने.
In the Nama is Dhamma. Where am I, huh? Where am I? I'm not even with the Nama. Not even with Nama. And the whole Dhamma is in the Nama. Where is the possibility that I may be placed in the Dhamma? How is this possible? Ekaki amara nahi paya bala harinama sankirtane.
एकाकी आमारा नहीं पाया बला हरिनामा संकीर्तने.
तुम्ही कृपा कोरी श्रद्धा बिंदु दिया देहो कृष्ण नामाधारे.
तुम्ही कृपा कोरी श्रद्धा बिंदु दिया देहो कृष्ण नाम धानी.
I'm Ekaki here. So very kindly, तुम्ही कृपा कोरी. With your mercy, Shraddha Bindu Diya, give me a drop of faith that you have in Nama. That the whole Nama is in the Nama, the Bhagavan is in the Nama. One drop of faith that you have. Oh, Vaishnava Thakura, one drop of faith that you have. In this way, this is my only hope to get that Krishna Namadhana. Only hope and only way. The faith that you have in Nama. If you can give me a drop of that, please. When our prayer is only this, in this direction, in this mode, like a begging bowl, then the doors of Nama into the Dhamma they open. And then the Nama. That's when the Chetodarpan Marjanam happens. With this mood, Chetodarpan Marjanam happens. Krishna se tomara, Krishna dite paro, tomara shakti aache.
Krishna se tomara, Krishna dite paro, tomara shakti aache.
I'm not looking for anybody here. I'm just looking for Krishna. And I am not looking for help from no one, but only you, oh Vaishnava Thakura. I want only Krishna, and only you can give me. Krishna se tomara, Krishna dite paro, tomaro shakti aache.
Krishna se tomara, Krishna dite paro, tomara shakti aache.
I want only Krishna means Sarvam Krishnamayam. Yo mam pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha mai pashyati. I want that, please. And only you can do that for me. Only you can give that chakshu. That Krishna chakshu. Only you can do that. Tomara shakti aache. Amito kangala, Krishna Krishna bole, dai tava pache pache.
Amito kangala, Krishna Krishna boli, dai tava pache pache.
Amito kangala, Krishna Krishna bole, dai tava pache pache.
Amito kangala, Krishna Krishna boli, dai tava pache pache.
How do I know I am dai tava pache pache? Yo mam pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha mai pashyati. Tasyaham na pranashyami sachame na pranashyati. If it is not happening to me, I am not doing dai tava pache pache. Cheating myself. Amito kangala, Krishna Krishna bole, dai tava pache pache.
Amito kangala, Krishna Krishna boli, dai tava pache pache. Amidhai tava pache pache.
Amidhai tava pache pache.
Amidhai tava pache pache.
Through anartha nivritti. Amidhai tava pache pache.
Amidhai tava pache pache.
Through nishtha. Amidhai tava pache pache.
Amidhai tava pache pache.
Through ruchi. Amidhai tava pache pache.
Amidhai tava pache pache.
Through asakti. Amidhai पाचे पाचे
आम्ही दाई तव पाचे पाचे
इन सखीर अनुगत्य सेवा आम्ही दाई तव पाचे पाचे
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 What is Tulsi prayer? How does it start? Namo Namaha Tulsi Krishna
प्रेयसी नमो नमः तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी नमो नमः राधा कृष्ण सेवा पाओ हे अभिलाषी राधा कृष्ण सेवा पाओ हे अभिलाषी जे तो मार शरण लोय तारा वांछ पूर्ण होय कृपा मार शरण लोय तारा वांछ पूर्ण होय कृपा कोरी कोरो तारे वृंदावन वासी कृपा कोरी कोरो तारे वृंदावन वासी नमो नमः तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी नमो नमः ये मोरा विलास विलास कुंज दियो वास मोर विलास विलास कुंज दियो वास नयने हरिबो सदा युगल रूप राशि नयने हरिबो सदा युगल रूप राशि नमो नमः तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी नमो नमः हे निवेदना नारो सखीर अनुगत करो हे निवेदना सखीर अनुगत करो सेवाधिकार दिए करो निज दासी
How did we come till here? Sakhir Anugatya Seva in the groves of Vrindavana, in the land of divine love.
जी मिल गया माता जी नीचे माता जी वृंदारानी माता जी फाउंडेड टांगों के नीचे कुछ टांग भी टांगों से उठा
तव पाछे पाछे
मुझे लगा कहीं ना कहीं सीटों के नीचे हो
कृष्णा से तुम्हारा
कृष्ण दीते पारो तुम्हारो शक्ति आछे कृष्ण से तुम्हारा कृष्ण दीते पारो तुम्हारो शक्ति आछे
আমি তো कंगाल कृष्णा कृष्णा बोले दाई तवा पाछे पाछे
आम्ही तो कंगाला कृष्णा कृष्णा बोली दाई तव पाछे पाछे
आमी दाई तवा पाछे पाछे
आम्ही आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
Don't you want to do Daitava Pache? Yes.
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे 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 आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
What is bhakti?
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
What is the advancement in bhakti?
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
I am in anartha nivritti. What to do?
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
I want my bhakti to get steady.
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
How do I get ruchi in the nama and seva?
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
What is the Swarupa Siddhi?
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
What is this Antakalena Mameva Smaran Muktva Kalevaram? What is that Smaran?
आम्ही धाई तव पाछे पाछे
Dear devotees, Ami Dayi Tava Pache Pache. That's where we are now. How do you feel? Please tell your personal experience in Ami Dayi Tava Pache Pache. Volunteer, whoever would like to go first.
I can go first.
So for me, it's being sheltered in their loving hands and their unconditional love.
That's the experience in Dayi Tava Pache Pache.
Yes, Mataji.
Very secure, huh?
Yes, Mataji.
Not only secure but loving. Huh? Dayi Tava Pache Pache, that's what you feel, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
And so that is experience. है ना? That's the experience in Dayi Tava Pache Pache. So what is that Dayi Tava Pache Pache that is taking you from Anartha Nivritti till the Smaran Fast Ruchi?
Their unconditional love, Mataji. Their unconditional love for me.
Okay. That is what you feel and that is what is taking.
Yes.
Yes. Got you. Yes. Thank you.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare.
Mataji, for me, I think I literally experienced it. I ran behind you when you were going. I felt that I cannot miss this experience of hearing you. So I literally ran. So that Dai Tava Pache Pache was like literally my moment that time. That I was sitting in the car and then I realized that how can I miss this moment? वहाँ कुछ ना कुछ तो माताजी बोल रहे होंगे, right? So let's just run and reach there and hear what Mataji is saying. So that was my, like, you know, really जो हुआ मेरे साथ. And then experience wise Mataji, I feel hopeful that I have a safe, मतलब I have somebody I can, you know, reach out to for anything I have in my heart, like, you know, somebody I can share with. I can get my, you know, if I have anything to ask or anything I want to know, I know I have someone who I can, you know, go to.
That's Dai Tava Pache Pache for you now.
Yes, Mataji. Sorry.
Hello, Hare Krishna Mataji. My pranams to you. For me, Mataji, Dhai Tava Pache Pache as a child looking for your mother. The mother, loving mother, and the child doesn't know anything other than mother. Mother is the best, and mother will show the right way where to go. And the child is not using his mind, nothing else. Yeah, that's my feeling, Mataji. I'm just following your. Thank you, Mataji. Giving this loving shelter under your guidance.
For me, I kind of, it's similar to what Lalita Priya Mataji just shared. The image that comes to me is Janu. You know, Janu in the last Sankirtan I saw her, she's pretty carefree, you know, she's running around with her fathers holding her. She couldn't care less what's happening, everything. That's how I feel. You know, like, I just feel so sheltered. I know that all the way from here, Anartha Nivritti to Shakira Nugatya Seva, it is just Dai Tava Pache Pache. I'm just very, very assured. That's the feeling I have. And you asked, Mataji, what was the first question? I have the answer, but I want to make sure I got the question right.
Yeah, experience आपने बोला assured, है ना?
Yes.
That's the feeling.
Yes.
Assured. Ego experience. Like
Assurance, carefree, just like the little child, yeah, that has somebody that's, you know,
yeah.
caring for her. Yeah.
What is it exactly? What is that Dai Tava Pache Pache that can take you from Anartha Nivritti to all the way to Sakira Nugatya Seva? Is the question clear?
Yeah, no, the first time you asked it was clear, but now when you're asking, I don't know, it is a little, I don't know if you asked it the same way.
Okay, what does Dai Tava Pache Pache mean to you? Is that what?
I don't know. Jyotsna Mataji, what was the first question you answered
Yeah, what is Dai Tava Pache Pache for you?
for you? Okay.
What does it mean for you, है ना?
Yeah.
Yes, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
And experience.
And
Experience तो बोल दिया. And what does that mean to you? Yeah.
Hmm.
What does that mean to you? What will take you to from Anartha Nivritti?
Okay. Well, Mataji, it is your Vani that is taking through all the stages, because I feel that through your Vani, in your own words, you had once said it should not be like a tent that is building inside, but it should be like a solid temple, you know, rock solid. So the Tattva comes and sits and
sits like, you know, a solid fortress. I feel that that is what is helping me, you know, all the tattvas you speak comes and sits inside, and that pulls me through each stage. Okay, sorry.
Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare
Mataji, first day you asked everybody Sankalpa Mataji. I told you I want to focus on your Vani Mataji. Just your association Mataji, just stay with you, then you only taking us to Goloka Mataji.
In what way, Mataji? Why are you thinking
Yeah,
that?
because see, from yesterday itself you are keep telling about Nama Ashraya Mataji. Just I'm not putting any effort, just I'm being with you. That Nama Ashraya, you are keep talking about that will go in my heart very deeply, Mataji. Just I'm not putting any effort, just I'm being with you. Just that's itself, Mataji. Association with you, your Vani, that potency you are giving all of us, Mataji. Thank you so much, Mataji.
तो नाम का है.
You're giving us the Shraddha Bindu, Mataji.
So, नाम का and आपने बोला तत्व भी है ना?
Yes,
Yeah.
Mataji.
So आपने तत्व बोला.
All, yeah, Nama
And
Tattva,
Mataji-
Bhakti Tattva, everything, yeah. And
So-
she's saying,
And दीपशिखा माताजी आपने बोला कि accessibility.
Say, हाँ माताजी.
है ना?
Like, I have hope that I have
I
someone.
can't hear you, please. Accessibility to clarify.
Yes.
Is that what you said?
Yeah, I'm very hopeful that I have someone. I have someone with me.
Accessibility and somebody that you could trust.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
Mataji, just staying with you, Kramahina Shravana Dasa to you are taking to Krama Shuddha Shravana Dasa, Mataji. We don't need to put any effort, just listening whatever you are speaking, Mataji. Just listening, that it will take us to Krama Shuddha Shravana Dasa, Mataji. I experienced that, Mataji. Thank you so much.
What is Kramahina Dasa and what is Kramashuddha Dasa, Mataji?
Kramahina Shravana Dasa means whatever we want to hear, just hear some, not your Vani Mataji, other
Here and
sides,
there like
here
that.
and there
Okay.
like that. Now from yesterday to here today, I'm hearing only about the Nama Mataji. That Nama has that much strength you are giving, Mataji.
Because of the continuity of what you are hearing.
Continuity, continuity, Mataji. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much,
Yes.
Mataji.
Yes. Thank you. The continuity part is up to the listeners. But what you are getting is especially just more like that's a reality.
Shraddha Bindu.
Yeah.
Shraddha Bindu.
Okay. Not just the knowledge.
Yeah.
That's
Not just the knowledge. Yeah. You're
okay.
giving your faith rubs off on us.
Okay.
Yes. Like you were saying, that living guru, living example of somebody that has that and having access to that, not just and seeing it, like observing you over 2 days and over many days of this Sankirtan, because it's one thing hearing you say every day. You might say it every day morning, but observing you through these days and seeing how you stay with Nama no matter what, the attention does not go away from Nama, and you're bringing us to the same place where you're saying, this is reality, stay over here, this is where you should be, this is where your attention should be. Don't pay attention to the mind, the body, this falana, don't go there. And you're teaching that by, like, you're walking the talk.
Yeah.
You're walking the talk and you're talking the walk.
That in-person experience, that's totally different, Mataji. That's why the Sankirtan, this incubation chamber really, the jet spray.
Whoa.
माताजी क्या बोला आपने?
माताजी जो जेट स्प्रे है वो आपका जो रियल जो एसोसिएशन इन पर्सन एसोसिएशन है, दैट्स व्हाट इज द जेट स्प्रे आई फील.
Nama is everything, Mataji. For Krishna clean also, it's because of Nama. Only you told Mataji. I'm thinking how Krishna clean. Then you said Nama only will.
Krishna has to get inside. Krishna clean can happen only with Krishna in the Nama, not with the mind. Yes, thank you, Krishna. I want to do my realization after you're all done. I'm looking forward to tell mine after you're done. Yeah, Daitava Pachikachi. What is it for you? Please.
Hare Krishna Mataji, my pranams to you. Mataji, for me, I'm in Bhakti because of your Vani, and that's how it started my journey. It is still peripheral only, Mataji. The more I am spending time in Bhakti, the more I see your Guru Nishtha, your sincerity. So I feel I am still at the top surface, and I'm begging, praying to be a disciple of like you in my life. That's my prayer, Mataji. Your Vani is what I'm able to continue, and whatever little services I could do.
What exactly you are hearing? What is it that is benefiting you?
Guru Nishtha, Mataji. In your Katha, the Guru Nishtha is what the main point I get connected so far, and that is my Dava Pache Pache.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Yeah. So what is meant by Daitava Pacha Pacha for me is Shravanam. And the experience of it is, it's a blissful, like as I said, it is changing from Annamaya Kosha to Anandamaya Kosha. Yeah. So, yeah, it is very true, Mataji. Even yesterday also, I was speaking to the Manchala devotees the same thing. So I'm just saying that don't get stuck in the ritual bhakti. Try to experience this bliss of loving Krishna, having a loving relationship with Krishna. So if I am able to say that, that's because that is the result of hearing from you. And I want to experience more and more of it, Mataji. I am at a preliminary stage now. Yeah. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
Prabhu?
Yeah, for me, Daito Pache Mataji, it's a Bednak. And experience wise, like I'm not there yet. Yomam Sarvati Pashyanti, whatever you were saying just some time ago, I'm not there yet. So that's my experience, and that's my Daitava Pache. And thank you very much for doing South Carolina Sankirtan Yatra.
Did I miss a point? Did you get it? What is that? Pache?
I mentioned pet dog. Pet dog.
Pet dog.
Oh, pet dog. Okay.
So yeah, thank you very much for doing South Carolina Sankirtan Yatra since yesterday. It is so blissful. And today you brought up Srila Prabhupada Leelamrutam, and which is my favorite one. And that changed my spiritual perspective and everything. I was having something different opinion about spirituality. Only some people can do spirituality, not everyone. But that changed me a lot after listening to Srila Prabhupada Leelamrutam. I could not finish completely, but whatever I heard, it changed me. And thank you very much for that. And I have a question actually. So more we hear about Guru Tattva, and since yesterday it is like Nama, Krishna. For me, like I have like struggle, like I give more importance to like Sri Guru, Guru Parampara, Bhagavata than Krishna. So for me, getting into the Nama is becoming a hurdle. I mean, how do I get?
Yeah, the purpose of Guru is to place us at the lotus feet of Krishna. To engage us in the seva of Bhagavan. So Bhagavan is present just besides the Guru. Like when we are doing the deity worship, when the Pujari is doing the deity worship, Pujari is there on the altar and deities are also there. So Guru is somebody who is turning us towards Krishna, who is engaging us in the seva of Krishna.
Because I see Sri Guru, I talk to Sri Guru, I talk to Bhagavata, I talk to Guru, I mean, other disciples, like, it's like, for me, they are the Bhagavans. Then, how can I get to Nama? Do I need to or to?
Can't hear where is the speaker?
I can't hear Mate.
Yeah,
Sorry.
it's like this. We are in the right place. We have to wait for the darshan,
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
So it's like we are in the temple room.
Okay.
Kahin jaane ke nahi.
Okay.
You see the curtains also.
Okay.
We know what direction also to look for. We just have to wait for the curtains.
Okay, Mate. Thank you.
And we know it's the pujari that opens the curtains.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
And I love this incubation chamber, like you mentioned, like you are not going to do after this. I was worried. Yeah. Thank you.
Formally it may not be like that. After this 5 trip, no formal trips may be there. But that Sadhusanga trip we had, then we can always have informal trips whenever needed, as Vrindarani Mataji brought up Prabhu.
Okay.
Informal trips can be there. But as a formal one with a kind of set goal, you see, to cover as on a mission, that will not be there. This is not, we don't have a time frame for this. Like we had for North Carolina. we know that 6 trips hai na?
Yeah.
1 trip. So 5, maybe once a month. But September is not a possibility because Janmashtami is coming. If
Okay.
not September, then October.
Okay.
Like that. We are free. There is no pressure there.
Okay.
So as maybe once a month for 6 more times. September is not possible. So October, maybe one in October ending. That will be the one. If it's happening in October, confirmation October ending. Then maybe one in November, one in December. If that's happening, one in January. Like that. Somehow or other, this 6. Actually, I think, Prabhu, good that you brought it up. Before February,
Mhm.
the 6 trips should happen, Prabhu.
Okay, Mataji.
Before February,
Mhm.
before I go to India.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will be just left uncompleted. Asana Yoga.
Okay.
So what we will do is, before February, Prabhu, if possible, once a month, okay. But if possible, twice a month.
Okay, Mataji.
That way we know that we don't have to leave it open after February.
Okay, Mataji.
So as of now, October ending. And then we'll see how November is. If possible, we can go twice.
Okay, Mataji.
November, May, December, May, January, May. We will aim for twice for each month.
Okay.
Yeah? Yes, sir.
Okay.
That I think we will keep that in mind. The devotees, Abba, I'm just thinking loud. That will be, most likely that will be the thing. है ना? Devotees आपका? FYI, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, that's just to give an idea.
Okay. Thank you, Mataji.
Yes, Prabhu.
And thanks again for doing South Carolina one.
Thank you. This is the North Carolina trip है, but I'm seeing specifically the Mercy the devotees, how they are personification of mercy. We generally hear Krishna Shri Murti, right? Shri Guru. But to me, I see that, how the devotees are mercy droplets. That's what I wanted to share. Yeah, that I wanted to share. Did I convey it? Yeah? This is all I have to say. Is that what you are asking?
No, I think we all answered the Daitava Pache Pache.
That.
And then you said you will share your.
For that? Okay,
Yeah,
take it.
yeah.
So the experience in the Aitava Pache Pache.
We're still in South.
You name any experience that is beyond positive, like assuring, soothing, comforting, unconditional, forgiving. You name it. All those experiences. You name it, and sometimes we can't even name it. All those are there in the Aitava Pache Pache. And what is the Aitava Pache Pache means? For me, Tavai Vasmi. That's the Aitava Pache Pache. Is that okay, Mataji?
Yes.
That's all.